Hey road warriors, buckle up as we embark on a journey through 69 road rage driver scenarios and the karma that follows. Join me as we move through these situations, learning to stay away from these wrong turns. Remember to wear your seatbelt. Safety first. Let's go. This pickup driver received immediate karma for cutting off the Jeep, because he didn't know it was an unmarked police car.
Get license plate, bro. Oh my god.
Oh my god, this car won't be covered by insurance. Please stay calm, guys.
What the hell?
These two guys had a collision at the turn. According to the law, the driver behind him was following too closely.
What is an ambulance? Yeah, both. There's like a fight just in the car.
Yeah, wait, it's the other guy's leaving.
It's living. Wait, can you get the plane?
Really?
Daniel Cuevas, riding his motorcycle to work, got cut off by a car running a red light, triggering immediate anger.
You know your light was red, right? You know your light was red, right? What?
The BMW driver was angry with the two drivers for blocking him, and he received karma right after that. But luckily, he's fine. The driver was distracted and collided with a car, waiting to turn. Just realized this guy was crossing the line. Luckily, everyone is okay.
Stupid mother.
This pickup truck caused a collision and immediately drove away. But he was stopped and compensated for his mistake.
Oh god, oh god.
On Beltway 8 in Houston last week, a bad driver met with immediate karma.
Did you hit him? No. Then get the f*** out of here.
If these two drivers learn to stay calm, maybe they can both get home safely. Luckily, only the car was damaged and both drivers were fine.
Oh my god.
He is slapped with a $300 fine and 6 license points after being busted by plainclothes police. Wow!
So what's we done?
Was macht er? Er denkt sich scheiß drauf, ich war einfach von mir und dann
Haha! His laughter sounds really delightful. Always be on the lookout as you approach any intersection. Pay attention to traffic lights.
Go on.
The police are already waiting for him here. These two guys were pulled in because they thought this street was only there. What do idiots do when a police car is blocking the road? Oh my god, these are two close friends sitting together in a car. But they got angry and pulled each other out into the middle of the street. Excellent job on behalf of the officer and good eyes. Citation time for the trucker. He thought he was going to get home 1:38 seconds earlier. Now he's a half hour late and a few $100s poorer. Or let the police teach him a lesson, haha. Never try to brake test anyone if you are smart enough. I love how everyone was like, you know what? I'm following them. I would have done the same thing. The SUV was probably running late as I could see ladders on the roof, but still, no reason at all, just a big laugh.
Yeah, that's right.
He's on his way to school at Shoreline Community College with 3 HOV violators right in front of him. 2 of them tried to avoid being noticed by cops and nearly hit another vehicle, which I...
Rule number 1 of being in the hot lane when you're not supposed to. Act like you belong there.
State carry a maximum fine of over $500 US.
If you're wondering, the driver was over the line.
Come in here and argue with the fucking robot host. You're applying humanity to a pile of metal. Apply some humanity to yourself. Come on. Fine. Okay.
I enjoyed it when the police showed up promptly.
Joy, the theory of everything.
He didn't expect instant karma. It cannot be denied that there are still many reckless drivers. That cop was like, this is why I joined the force. The police seemed to be at the front, waiting for him. Oh my gosh, the snowy roads are slippery, so pay attention to controlling your speed to ensure safety. An angry man argued with a car driver, and the driver still calmly sat still in his car.
All right, I'm calling the cops right now.
The driver who caused the collision was arrested the next day, and he had to compensate for all the cars that day. The inattentive driver mistakenly applied the accelerator and brake pedals.
Oh, man.
The status report after the love-making incident between these two guys was a broken hood, broken rear-view mirror, and a $1,000 ticket for these two guys.
I feel bad for filming this.
You right, motherfucker?
Speeding in a school zone, passing on a double yellow, pulling over close to a blind curve. This makes for one unhappy cop.
What's up? Car's rolling. Put your handbrake on, love. Put your handbrake on.
An angry car driver in Merseyside aggressively overtook another driver on a narrow road, stepped out of her car to confront them, forgetting to engage the handbrake.
You were on camera.
Did you not put it up to me?
I'm not on camera, you are.
You don't know, you fucking divvy.
The tailgater receives instant karma. This guy tried to hide but was still discovered. If only this guy had waited a few more seconds. He was probably in a hurry for something and didn't pay any attention to the police. These two cops stopped the driver's car to check for banned substances. Can you guess what they found? Press 1 to see the results. Brave man, getting out of his car and approaching strangers. One day, he may approach the wrong car. An unlucky day for a biker guy. I love how the cop followed to get the douche's blood pressure up before pulling the douchey over. Haha. The reckless antics on the road by these two drivers will likely be taught a lesson by the police. I guess the van picked the right cop to blow the light on. Impatient driver meets ninja police.
Oh no.
This guy was angry because a man kept following his car. No one should do that. This action should be condemned.
Oh my god. Yo! Oh my god! Oh, hell no. This motherfucker.
Rage of Disney friends. We love peace, my friends. And here is another case. To prevent actions like this, please comment number 1. Stay calm when faced with road rage because you don't know who you're dealing with.
Go for a ride! Let's go for a ride and then jump off and run over me!
Don't be foolish to climb on top of a 2-ton moving iron cage.
Move me, fifth!
This guy is really daring to do that in front of the police. Oh my God! He treats that like his home street. Anger escalated between the truck driver and the car driver. The bike guy tried to stop him but failed. Hope each of us can learn how to control anger for a better life. If you like the video, please support the channel and subscribe. Thank you, everyone. Two police officers collided while chasing criminals. You should keep your distance when driving and control your speed while driving.
Can you see the lights in the back? Oh, you got the wrong car. You see the lights in the back?
A road rage in Paris, which is supposed to be the city of romantic love, but instead comes rage and karma. Instead of having road rage, we should stay in our cars and get home safely. Misguided rage against a 2-meter driver and ending in a soft kick. Control your speed and slow down on curves. Don't be like this guy.
Well, that's up.
Does anyone think this car is adorable? Sorry, I couldn't help but laugh. Someone please return this guy to where he came from. If this driver had been patient for 1.5 seconds more, he probably wouldn't have had to spend money to repair his car door. There was almost a collision. If you liked the video, please help me subscribe to the channel. Please give me motivation. Thank you very much. But driver attempts to use the shoulder to cut through traffic. Other cars band together to teach them a lesson.
Oh my god, crazy है.
Don't be like this guy who goes out and causes trouble and gets paid with torn pants.
और रोकना क्यों नहीं गड्डी?
He almost collided with the police.
The next item on your list. Cheap science.
This zigzagging will get him a ticket.
The possibility of a theory that unifies both macro.
Watch this Jeep blow past the school bus with flashing lights.
This guy should learn how to stop when walking near a school bus. He was so inattentive that he didn't think about the police being right next to him. Our journey today will temporarily come to an end here. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to like and subscribe. If you'd like to watch more videos, just click on the screen to continue. Okay, thank you for watching the entire video.